Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so quick update on Cronos. So if we zoom out a little bit, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, very nice wave 3, and working on this fourth wave. If I zoom in on the 1 hour, as you can see, yeah, that's not very good, too wide. Okay, so you can see that we actually made, an A, a B, and now we're still working into DC. I'm not sure this movement is finished. No. There you go. Let me see here. It's possibly that we're still working into this third wave or not finished yet. So once again, this is the A, this is the B. Within this C wave, it's kind of a stretch, I would say, but this could be a 1, 2. All this is a 3. Eventually, we're going to make a 4 and a 5th. As you can see, we do have confluence on levels shortly. We just passed the 0.618. So I think I can, well, I'm going to leave it for a moment, even though it makes a little bit of a messy chart. Let me remove the 0.382. Yeah, that's going to be better. So I would say, let's see if price goes to the 24 cents 333. And if it doesn't hold that level, we do have the 1-to-1 ratio at 23 cents to round it up. And that would, so I would say this area here, it's where I would say, yeah, I'm expecting or waiting for a reaction. So between 24.3 and 23 cents, let's see if we get something, or perhaps we go even lower. Once again, because it's messy, and I think I did find that was acting as a diagonal, if I recall well. Yes, ABC. Yeah, so that's why we can even give more room to Cronos. Let me go and check the RSI on the 4 hours. You can see, yeah, okay, we could be ready for a reversal. Let me go and check on the 1 hour, 1 day. Not there yet. Well, we just got back into not the overbought, sorry. But yeah, ideally also on the daily, we would go a little bit lower. So because once again, if this is actually the fourth wave and planning to do a fifth wave, well, usually, or most of the time, I should say, the third wave is the one that reached the highest level in the RSI, and the fourth wave, it reached a higher level in price action, but actually reach a lower level in the RSI compared to the third wave. So we would need maybe the RSI to go around 50 or somewhere there. That's the unfortunate part. And once again, we need to always look at Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin actually managed to break out and not just make a fake out, I did an update on the Discord this morning, where it's very easy to see that we're making a channel. It wasn't perfect though. I did that on my phone and update on the fly. So yeah, we attempted, got rejected, and now it looks like we're doing something. Is it convincing? Yeah. Now we're using the previous resistance, looks like, as a support. Maybe if I go on a 15 minutes, but it is too early to say if this breakout is just a fake out or the real thing. Once again, structurally, not the best, or we don't have data yet. We could have had some data, but then it didn't work out because I could have said this was a wave 1 and this could have been a wave 2, but it did reach a lower level than the beginning of wave 1, so I cannot say that. And this is very messy. I know out there are some people say, this is 1, this is 2, and this is a 1, 2 of this third wave. Well, it's on the 1 hour, it's not clear. I'm not going there. Let's be realistic. Somehow this became a Bitcoin chart. Anyway, we just need to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing, and we will kind of know what Cronos is going to do. Because if Cronos goes, I mean, if Bitcoin makes a local higher high, that's another debate. This could be just a correction. Let me just put it there. B wave. This could be just a correction and just mix up all the things. So we think that maybe we're going higher, and then after, we're just making a B wave, and then we're going to go lower. Good news, if we do that, then some people can scoop some Bitcoin even cheaper. And so we need to be aware of that. And then when you look at Cronos, then what would do that to the chart? Well, if really Bitcoin start to kick in, maybe we can finish this fourth wave and actually go and make a higher high, and that would be wishful thinking, but this is how this could work, by Bitcoin making just a B wave, and Cronos would have time to go and regain higher levels, because after the third wave we're going to have a fourth wave, right? Because this 5 wave would complete, and now this, for the moment, it's only projection, speculation. This is what the market should do or could do to make Cronos give us 5 way up and close a bigger third wave. And then after that, Bitcoin can go lower, make his C wave, and then we can make our fourth wave and not jeopardize our count. Because if it goes to, I don't know, 100K now, or 90, 95, then it's going to pretty much, I believe, invalidate this count. Pretty much, yes. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.